everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the Jack and Emma podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're talking about something almost every English learner struggles with, starting conversations.
Oh, yes. That moment when you want to say something, but your brain freezes. You're thinking, how do I start? What if I make a mistake?
We've all been there, even native speakers sometimes. But the truth is, starting conversations is a skill, and you can train it.
One of the biggest mistakes learners make is waiting for the perfect sentence. You don't need to sound perfect. Just sound friendly and confident. For example, instead of worrying about grammar, just say something natural like, "Hey, how's it going?" "Hi, I don't think we've met before." "That's a nice shirt. Where did you get it?"
Exactly. These are simple, everyday openers. You're not starting with a big topic, just a connection.
And remember, tone matters. If you smile and sound relaxed, even simple words sound warm and natural.
After you start the conversation, you want to keep it flowing. Try to ask open-ended questions. Questions that can't be answered with just yes or no. So instead of asking, "Do you like movies?" try, "What kind of movies do you like?"
Right. Or instead of saying, "Do you work?" say, "What do you do for work?" These open questions make the other person share more, and that gives you more to respond to. Jack, you're really good at this one. Active listening.
Thanks. Active listening means showing you're interested. You can do this by using short responses like, "Oh, really? That's interesting. No way. I see what you mean." These small reactions keep the rhythm natural and show you care about what they're saying.
And don't forget, body language is part of communication too. Nod, make eye contact, and use facial expressions.
You don't have to wait for a real conversation to practice. You can talk to yourself or role-play situations. For example, imagine you're in a cafe. "Hi, can I sit here? The weather's really nice today, isn't it? I come here a lot. They make the best coffee."
Or practice online in language exchange groups. Everyone there wants to talk. Mistakes are part of learning. Native speakers use fillers all the time. Little words that give you time to think. Try these. "Well, actually, let me think."
These help you sound natural and give you a few seconds to organize your thoughts instead of just going silent.
Exactly. Silence can feel awkward when you're nervous, but these phrases keep you talking smoothly.
So remember, conversation isn't about perfect grammar. It's about connection.
Start small, smile, ask open questions, and listen actively. The more you do it, the easier it becomes.
Thanks for joining us today. Next episode, we'll dive into how to react naturally in English, like a native speaker.
See you next time on the Jack and Emma podcast.